All right, here's a lesson on Pinball Wizard by The Who. So we're going to start out with this cool intro. We got this B minor chord. It's going to be like starting on the D string, 4, 4, 3, and 2. We're going to hit that chord, and then we're going to hit that F sharp note of the D string, that 4th fret. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to have a new measure. We're going to pull this first finger out. So that ends up being 4, 4, 3 and open. So 4, 4, 3 and 2. Make it open. Now put this 2 in here in the 2nd string and move this one out of the way, so you have 4, 4, 2 and open. And then 4, 3, 2 and open. And then 4, 2, 2 and open. Get a little angle on that so you can get that open one on the bottom. And then we have 4 with all opens underneath it. Okay, so then we have 5, 4 and open. And then the and of 4, the 8th one of that set, you're going to go to that 4 and 3, which is part of F sharp we're going to go into next. So we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3E and a 4E and a. So that new measure of the F sharp is going to be 1 and 2 and 3E and a 4E and a. And you could have this bass up here, this 2 up here. You want to mute that A string, but you could have. And then the second measure of the F sharp is going to go. And then the opens, like part of a G chord. So the opens is going to be when you can jump up to this new spot to get this new thing for like the verse part and that. So here we have the F sharp again. So those open Gs, it's the D and the G in the middle there, the open strings. So let's look at the whole intro. We got B minor, open there, 2 there, put a 3 in, 2 and 2, opens, and then this kind of a G chord. Okay, then we're going to get in this new part. We're going to be on the 7th fret. We have 9 on the D string, 9 on the G, 7 on the B. So we're doing 16th notes. And then 8th notes at the end. So 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4 and then we're going to go to this chord, this 9, 8, and 7. But the interesting thing is we have accents in there. So in the tab, I'll have the accents written out. And you'll see that every 3 strums, it's like an accented one. And you can use your thumb bass on this too. So. Okay, so it does that 2 times, and then you could have this octave slide. It's like a big extra guitar in the back. That's A to B, so that's 5th on the big string and 7th on the D string, up to the 7th and 9th, the A note to the B note. So once again, we got this. You do it again. Okay, then on the 5th time of this rhythm, the singing starts. And we start moving it down 2 frets. 2 more, down to G. And then 1 more. So that's the F sharp. So that is the 2nd fret with the bass. 4, 3, and 2 on the D, G, and B strings. We can also hit the little one open on that. So let's go through all that again. We got the B, B sus, to B, A sus, to A, G sus, G, F sharp sus, F sharp 7. And then we have a riff, B chord. So we got B, B, A, D, E, B, B, A, D. And then we're back into the next verse. those chords again. Okay, then we're going to kind of set up this new one. Okay, so what we got there is E and a F sharp and a B, B. So that's E. And you got this F sharp, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. So we got dum da da dum da da dum dum on the B. Dum, da, da, dum, dum. And then this E is like anticipated those second two times. So bum 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 bum. So that third time you hit more B chords. Then we got a G to D. So the G is kind of like, so G. A little strumming on the D there. So then we got a new riff. So it's like a D power chord, O, 2, 3, and then the C bass note to the G open string to the 2 to the open. So dungy dungy dum, back to the D, C, B, A. Hit that D chord at the end, D power chord. So it's 3 times of that riff to this D, and then we have more, we have another verse in the B. We got these riffs. We got the pinball. Now this time we have kind of a new riff. We're going to get a little sus in here on this D. We're going to go. We're going to have D and a 2 and a sus, da 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 da. So D and a 2 and a sus, da 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 da. And then we're back to D. So that's bum da da dum da 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 da. You got 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So all of that D to D sus to D, those 2 measures, we got 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And then we jump up here and we're into the D. We're on the 10th fret. We have a new verse. We're going to modulate to this key that we just ended with, that D there. So we got. You got the 10th fret bass note, and then you got the 12, 12, and 10 down here, going to the 12, 11, and 10. So we got. Now the second 2 times, you can do that octave thing again. This time it'll be C to D. Right, 3rd fret to 5th fret on the A string, and then it's octave down here, 5th to 7th on the G. And that's all this is going on. Okay, so when he starts singing on this 5th time, then we're going to start moving down 2 frets each time. So 3, 4. Here we go. Here we go. 1 fret. Now here we have new chords because we've modulated. So we're going D, C, F, and then B flat. So we got. Kind of strums out. So we got the intro, we got B minor, then open, then a 2, then a 3, and then a 2, 2. Then opens, and then this 5/4 open G thing to the F sharp. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and to those opens, and that's what lets us get up here. So let me try that little transition. So obviously you do that 4 times, and then you get started with the singing. Start moving it. And you got your B, B, A, D, E, E. You're back in there for another verse. You got that riff again. Do it a couple times. Now you got this new one. Okay, and then eventually you get into this riff where we have back to another verse. All that, we go through the riffs again. So we got that D to Dsus. Then we move up here to this new key. Of course, we do that the 4 times, then we get into the verse. Movement. Here we go. 2 more frets. And then 1. And then we got D, D, C, F, B flat. All right, Pinball Wizard by The Who. Killer Pete Townshend stuff going on here. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll have a tab with this. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to Damon Wood Guitar Lessons. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.